Hello children, today we are going to see exercise 11.4. Okay, let's see the first sum. Find each of the following. So they have given the total amount and we want to find 7% of this number, of this total amount. So to find the 7% of this amount, we have to just multiply this percentage and the total, that's it. So the percentage is 7%. So 7% of rupees 7,150 is equal to 7 by 100 into the total amount. 7% is 7 by 100. Out of 100, it's 7. That's 7% into the total amount. When we multiply the total amount, we will get what is 7% of this number. Okay, now as the number ends with 0, we can strike out one numerator 0 and one denominator 0. Now both the number ends with 0 and 5, so it will go in 5 table. 5 2s are 10. When we choose one number, 5 1s are 5, remaining 2 we can give it as a carryover. 5 4s are 20, remaining 1 carryover. 5 3s are 15. Now there is no even number in the numerator and the denominator is an even number, so we can't simplify in 2 table, that's all. We can't simplify more than this. So what we have to do is we have to multiply the numerator and write it in the numerator, and we have to divide it by the denominator. 7 3s are 21, 2 as a carryover, 7 4s are 28, plus 2 is 30, 3 carryover, 7 1s are 7 and then 10. So by 2. Now we can write this as a decimal value or in mixed fraction. As it is a rupees, we can divide it and convert it in the decimal form. Write 2 outside and 1001 inside. First we have to choose two numbers because one number we can't take because it's less than 2. So choose two numbers. 2 5s are 10. When we subtract 0, bring the next number down, it's 0. We can't choose even 1s are, so put a 0 up and then bring the next number. Even for this number we can't choose even 1s are. So put another one 0 and then we can we want still more numbers, so put a decimal point and add a 0. For this one what we brought down, we have to put a 0, and as we want a 0, we are putting a decimal point and adding a 0. Now 2 5s are 10. When we subtract, it's 0. So here it's rupees 500.5. As it is a pies, we can add one more 0. We want 2 digits for pies, right? So rupees 500.50. So 500 rupees 50 pies. This is the required answer. When we add a 0 here, there is no value for this. So we can add how many zeros we want. For a pies, there should be 2 digits. So we are adding 1 0 and making it as a 2-digit number. Okay, look to the next sum. 40% of 400. So 40% of 400. So here the total value is 400 kilogram. In this, what is 40% they are asking? So we have to multiply the percentage by the total. Now we can strike out the zeros as the numbers are ending with zeros. Here 1 0 1 0 and here again 1 0 1 0. So now we got 1 in the denominator, so we have completed our simplification. Now multiply the numerator and write it as answer. First 1 0, it ends with 0, so we can write that 0 there. Now we can multiply the numbers. 4 4s are 16. So this much of kilogram. 40% of 400 kilogram is 160 kilogram. So this is the required answer. So now let's see the next sum. 20% of 15.125 liters. So 20% of 15.125 liters. To find this much of percentage of this, we have to multiply the percentage. So 20 by 100 into 15.125. Now we should simplify. Here the one numerator and one denominator ends with 0. So we can strike it out 1 0 and 1 0. And then both will go in 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Here also the number ends with 5 and here there is 5, so both will go in 5 table. 5 ones are 5. When a decimal point is there, how to simplify in 5 table you see. First we have to choose two numbers. 5 3s are 15. Before choosing the next number, put the decimal point there. Here there is only 1, we can't choose for even 5 ones are, so put a 0 up and then choose the next number also. So this one will be as a carry over here. So 12 when it comes in 5 table is 5 2s are 10 and give the remainder 2 as a carry over. Now 25 when it comes in 5 table is 5 5s are. That's all. We got 1 in the denominator, so we have completed our simplification. When we multiply the numerators, it's 1. So any number multiplied by 1 is the same number, and any number divided by 1 is the same number. So the answer here is 3.1025 liters. So 20% of this total value is 3.025 liters. So this is the required answer. Look at the next sum. 3 1/3% of 90 km. So here the percentage is given in the mixed number. So first we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So how to convert the mixed number into improper fraction is multiply the whole number with the denominator and add the numerator and write it in the numerator. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10 by 3, the same percentage of, so 10 by 3% of 90 kilometer we are going to find it out. So this is equal to find the value of 10 by 3% of this total, we have to multiply this both, the percentage with the total. So what is this percentage? 10 by 3% is 10 by 3 into 100. We have to divide it by 100, right? So in the denominator we have to write this 100 and then into the total value. So now we can simplify. There are 0 at the end of numbers in the numerator and also in the denominator, so we can strike it out. 1 0 here and 1 0 here, 1 0 here and 1 0 here. And 3 and 9 will go in 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now we got 1 in the denominator, so we have completed our simplification. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 by 1 is 3. So here 3 kilometer. So 3 1/3% of 90 kilometer is 3 kilometers. So this is the required answer. Let's see the next sum. 2.5% of 600 meters. So to find the value of this much of percentage of the total value, we have to just multiply the percentage with the total value. So this is equal to 2.5 by 100 into 600. So one numerator number and one denominator number ends with zeros. So we can strike it out here. 2 zeros and here 2 zeros. So we got 1 in the denominator. So we have completed our simplification. Now we have to multiply the numerator and write it as answer. So when we want to multiply a decimal number, what we have to do is we shall leave the decimal point and multiply the numbers alone. And then we have to count how many decimal numbers was there, and according to that, moving leftwards, we have to put the place the decimal point. So we have to just first multiply the numbers. 25 into 6. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry over, 6 2s are 12, plus 3 is 15. Now we have to place the decimal point. There is only one decimal number after the point. So from here we have to move the decimal point one number backward. So the decimal point should be here. And after the decimal point, if there is 0, we can leave that 0. So here the answer is 15. 15 meters. So 2.5% of 600 meters is 15 meter. This is the required answer. Let's see the next sum. Find the number whose 12 1/2% is 64. So they didn't ask us to find 12 1/2% of some number. They are saying that 12 1/2% is this, then what is that number? So they are asking us to find the total value. So let's see how to do. So let's take the total value Bx. That means that 12 1/2% of x is equal to 64. So of that total number, 12 1 by 2 percentage of the total value is 64. They have given like that. Now we want to find the value of x. So what we have to do is, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2. Percentage of x is equal to 64. Now we have to write this percentage as a fraction form. So 25 by 2, we have to just divide it by 100. So write the 100 in the denominator. Of x is into x is equal to 64. Now we can simplify here itself. 25 and 100 will go in 25 table. 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. So now 1 by 8 into x is equal to 64. When a fraction moves next to equal to, it will reciprocate. It will get reciprocated. So x is equal to 64 into this 8 will go to the numerator and 1 will come to the denominator. So it will become 8 by 1. When there is 1 in the denominator, we can't simplify more than this. We have to just multiply the numerator numbers and write it as answer. That's it. So 8 4s are 32, 3 as a carryover, 8 6 are 48 plus 3 is 51. Any number divided by 1 is the same number. So 512 is the required answer. So that is the number we want it. Find the number whose 12 1 by 2 percentage is 64. So the required number is 512. So the answer here is 512. Look at the next sum. What is the number 6 1 by 4 percentage of which is 2? So the value of 6 1 by 4 percentage of the total value is 2. So they didn't give us the total value and they are asking us to find that amount. They are asking us to find that value. So let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. So therefore 6 1 by 4 percentage of the total value is 2. So they have given the value of the 6 1 by 4 percentage of the total value and we have to find the total value. So now the percentage is in mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25 by 4 percentage of x is equal to 2. Now we have to write the percentage in the fraction form. To write the percentage in the fraction form, we have to divide it by 100. So as we want to divide it by 100, we have to write the 100 in the denominator. Into of x is into x is equal to 2. Now we can simplify 25 and 100. Will go in the same 25 table. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So this is equal to 1 by 4 fours are 16 into x is equal to 2. When we move a fraction to the other side of the equal to, it will be reciprocated. So this is equal to x is equal to 2 into this denominator will go to the numerator and numerator will come to the denominator. So the denominator is 1. So we can't simplify more than this. We have to multiply the numerator and write it in the numerator. That's it. So x is equal to 2's are 12 and 1 is a carryover. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. So the value of the total x is equal to 32. This is the required answer. See, look at the next sum. If 6 is 50% of a number, what is that number? So here again we want to find the total value. 50% of some number is 6. They have given the value of this 50% of some number. So we want to find the total value. Let it be x. Let x be the required number. So 50% of x is equal to 6. They have given the answer here. We want to find this total value. So first to write this percentage as a fraction, we have to divide it by 100. So 50 by 100 into x is equal to 6. Now we can simplify 0 and 0 as it is at the end of that number. We can strike it out. Now 5 and 10 we can simplify in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now we got 1 by 2 into x is equal to 6. When a fraction number is moved to the opposite side of the equal to sign, it will be getting reciprocated. So x is equal to 6 is as it is there. This 1 by 2 will be reciprocated, so the denominator 2 will go to the numerator and numerator 1 will come to the denominator. So as the denominator is 1, we can't simplify more than this. We have to multiply the numerator and write it as a answer. 6 2s are 12. So x is equal to 12 is the required answer. That's all. Thanks for watching, children.